Hey, welcome to Above Health's Smart Inhaler device registration video. You should already have one of these Smart Inhaler attachments at home. And if you don't, please go to above.health, go to our shop, type in Smart Inhaler, and check it out. So what you see here is a USB-C charging port. It should work with any adapter, any cord. It takes about 30 minutes to charge. And just make sure it's fully charged before you start this video. Okay. On the other side, what you have is the hole where you put on top of the medication. So it fits right on top, and that's it. Then you use it as normal. You press down, and it will trigger the sensor inside. What it does for a controller is it will keep track of your daily usage, following your doctor's routine, typically 2 puffs at night, but please, again, follow your doctor's plan. And what it will do is send you reminders in case you want them in the night, in the morning. If you miss a dose, it'll keep track of that, and then hopefully you'll be able to tailor your medication regimen with your allergist. If you choose to use it with a rescue, when you use your rescue, this actually has a GPS on device, and what it'll do is capture your location of when you use it, and then pull in data from the pollen and anywhere else, anything that's going on, and try to help identify your triggers with other cofactors. So really, you kind of want two. You want one for your rescue, one for your controller, and that's it. So here it is, and we're good to go. We're about to please download the app that you see in front of you from the App Store or the Play Store. It's Above Health, and this should be the first screen you see when you log in. You can log in with the account you used and set up before you placed your order, or you can create a new one. It's preferred to, keep the same account with your order, but you don't have to. That way you keep your order history together. Okay, I already have an account, and I'll press Google, sign in. Matt@above.health. Feel free to email me anytime, and it's as easy as logging back in. So I already have an account here. As you see, you can press the button in the upper right corner, and that will load the side menu. You can go down to connected devices, or you can find the registration tab in another location. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, again, connect device, go in here. Let me move my mouse and you can go back. See right there, it has connect device. Okay, so we'll go ahead and keep playing. So this is a recording. You see this, I have test devices, and what should happen is it will scan for the device, and you'll see it right there. Go back and click Above Health Smart Inhaler. That code at the bottom is just the unique device ID. Don't worry about that. That's just for troubleshooting. Go ahead, click Above Smart Inhaler, and you can see its connection. You want to make sure you're in the green. That shows how close you are to your phone or the device you'll be associating it to. What we're about to do is connect this to your home Wi-Fi. Please be at home when you register. It's important, because what it's going to do is at night, after you use it, it'll wake back up and send the data to the EMR for the doctor. And so even if you're out and about, you don't need your phone with you, you don't need your device with you, you just need this. So it's perfect if a kid is at the park or at school and ends up using it. We capture the location, we capture the time of day then, and then at home, the device wakes up and auto uploads the information. It saves it on device. It's the only one that does it, actually. It's patent pending. And so what you're going to do now is just connect it to your home Wi-Fi. So whatever device you're loading your app on, you want to make sure it's connected to your home Wi-Fi with a strong signal. And then this signal shows you how close you are to the device. So if you keep going, you type in your password, paste it. It's really easy, and then it takes a while to load. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see. I'm just going to fast forward it real quick, and all it's doing is making a very secure connection, making sure that none of your information is compromised, can ever be stolen, And that's another reason for not using a relay with the phone. It's much more secure to keep everything on the device and only connect directly to your Wi-Fi. So that's exactly what we're doing here. And once you're done, it should load a registration process. So you've reached here, it means that you're ready to register your device. You want to pick, it's very important, if it's a Rescue or controller, I recommend writing a little R or C on them just in case. Rescue, again, is like albuterol. It's the thing you take in case you're wheezing or having an attack. Again, follow your doctor's plan. That's pretty typical, but don't take my advice here. Or controller, which is your daily use. So I went ahead and did controller, and you'll go ahead and select your medication, select how many puffs you want to take. It's, again, typically 2. We can track puffs. Right now we're not doing that for the user, but eventually we will be doing that for the doctor too. And when you want to receive reminders in the evening around 8 p.m., you can set a custom time and it'll send it directly to your phone. It'll also send it to any account you have registered with your device. So if you got like an iPad and a laptop, if you've connected everything to your Apple device, it works just like all the other notifications. Okay, and then how confident you are. We'll be adding training videos and things if you're not confident in the future, so we can help guide you through this process. And then it's complete. And now you're all set to go. You don't need your phone with you anymore to use this device. Everything will work. You just have to replace the battery, recharge it, I should say. You never have to replace the battery. You just have to recharge it every time you change your medication. So it should last the entire time. I think it's like 100 puffs or something, 50 uses, same thing. But it will notify you when the battery's low if necessary. So if you keep going, you'll reach this health summary. Again, this is my test account, but you'll see I have an asthma management controller plan right there in the middle. You can access this plan in the lower right by hitting the health button. It automatically takes you here, but when you load the app, if you can't find it, click there. And if you click the graph right here, it will load this and it'll see where you've been using the medication, where you've been using your inhaler, how many days, and some other information. And we'll be adding to this page over and over. Once the trigger has been identified, or if you used your Rescue a few times, we'll send you a customized questionnaire along with some lab tests. And by combining all of that, we'll work with the doctor. You can work with one of our doctors. You can schedule a visit in the care tab. And what we'll do is identify your trigger. So we believe we can get to probably 5 nines accuracy. The traditional test, gets to about 50 to 60% accuracy. We believe by combining all these different things, we can hit a much higher accuracy for identifying triggers. But now your device is registered. And that's it. If you have any questions, please always reach out to us, either at matt@abovehealth, always welcome to email me, or at support@abovehealth.health. And thank you very much for watching this video.